Welcome to the Good channel. You know how we do. Today we have another one of those unboxing days. We got a little something in the mail. As you guys all know, if you guys watch my very sad and lonely videos, I recently started getting into precious metals, mainly gold and silver. And this is something that so far has been proven to be super fun for me, as far as I don't even know if you want to call it collecting them or whatnot. I definitely don't want to call myself like as a gold collector, but the only thing I do know is that I do enjoy the gold pieces, the gold bars so far that I've received. And I did get my very first silver bar, I want to say 2-3 days ago, which I also made a video of that. Go check it out. I did order a few more gold coins, or not gold coins, silver coins coming up. I don't know anything about silver coins. Some I see selling for quite a bit of money, and some I see selling for like $15-20. So again, as I always state in my videos, I have no idea what I'm doing. But I hope somebody out there who's been in the game for a long time, or maybe has done this for a long time, if you have any advice or pointers that you can give me, I would be more than appreciative to listen and learn as I go through. And also, I think I do these not so much to do the traditional, oh my god, let me unbox something and kind of just show off the piece. I think I do these for the purpose of hopefully I can encourage or maybe inspire somebody out there who's been thinking about getting precious metals, gold, silver, whatnot, and hopefully I can show you guys the processes that I go through and the steps that it's taking me to literally acquire these pieces. Again, also, as I have stated in my previous videos, I really thought it would be easy to just buy gold or silver, and I didn't realize there's like levels to this. There's levels to it. It's not just as easy as like a retail store where you go online and you buy the piece and you get it and it's over, and then you get the pieces, which is crazy though. Like right now, one thing that I have noticed is even though silver is at a low price point of like 15, I think actually today it went up to like $2. I think it's at 17 bucks per gram or whatever. You would think that there would be an abundance of silver all over, right? But when you go to like these reputable websites that you may order from, it's crazy because they're all sold out. Like none of them are really selling any silver at the moment. Which is crazy. But again, I'm sure there's a reason for that. The supply and demand obviously is there. And also, again, for the OGs, the people that have done this for quite a bit, if you know of a good reputable website that you buy gold or silver from, or whatever other precious metals you might have, I would love to, because right now I only go to about 2 or 3 different websites. They have proven to be solid so far, so I continue to go to them. Unboxing of my very first 10-gram gold bar, which is the Pamp Swiss Lady Fortuna gold bar. Again, if you're just catching on, or maybe you fast forwarded on the video, I am a new guy coming into the gold game. So what I did in the beginning is I started super low, meaning I bought I think 1 gram and a couple of 5-gram bars, which I also did an unboxing video for those. And I figured, hey, let me test it out. I don't want to risk too much. I just kind of want to get to know the feeling of owning the gold. And now I'm starting to slowly ramp up. I go from the 1 gram to the 5 gram to the 10 gram, which is what we're going to be unboxing here today. And hopefully very soon I will be owning my first ounce of gold, which is the ultimate goal. And again, I'm not no one's rich. Like I'm not sitting here going, oh my god, I got all this money to spend. I'm treating it more like a game for me. So I'm trying to just level up, you know, I'm trying to one up that bad boy. So basically to me it's like, okay, well, I went from 1 gram to 5 gram. Now I've graduated to the 10 gram, which is what we're going to be unboxing here today. And then hopefully sometime in the future, I will get my 1 ounce of gold, which is, you know, a goal for me at the moment. So, and I'm sure, you know, a lot of rich, you know, gentlemen out there probably going, oh my God, this guy's poor. Well, yeah, I'm poor, but at the same time, like, I'm also, this is fun, you know, it's fun for me, just kind of leveling up. And at the same time, you know, again, I'm learning that gold is probably not a quick scheme to make a lot of money, but it is a surefire way to save your money at least, right? And I am learning from a lot of you YouTubers out there that are doing the gold videos is, again, like, I you know, I get the point now where, like, look, I could buy those pair of shoes right here, and once I wear them, the value goes down or it goes away, right? I can't resell those for whatever I bought them for. However, like a gold piece like this, right, a year from now I will be able to sell this for either the same amount or hopefully a lot more, right? But at the very minimum, I'm preserving my wealth, I'm preserving my money, right? And that's what I'm trying to get across for maybe some people out there that are thinking about getting into gold. Is really the majority of it, the way I see it now, is you're preserving your wealth. And if you make a little bit of money on the side doing it, great, right? Like, and I say that because, like, an ounce 2 weeks ago, it went down to like $1688 was the lowest I seen it. When I woke up this morning, it was all the way up to like 17, I think 60, I want to say, and you guys can fact check me on that. But you know, it's that, just to show you the kind of swing that gold can go through. Anyway, let's start this unboxing now, without further ado. So they always package these up. This is the second item that I got from this particular company. Kind of came prepared today. Super secure, these boxes, it's crazy. All right, so I think I got it open a little bit. Here we go. This is gonna be my first look and your first look as well. It's our first look. Let's celebrate this moment together, people. Is my very first, like I said, my bigger piece for precious metals. They got all these packaging over here. This is gonna be a 10 gram gold bar. Oh look, they even gave me something free. Wow, that was nice to them. They didn't have to do that. That was pretty cool. What are these? I don't know what this is. Woohoo! Got some freebies. Can't complain about that. Shout out to, just for doing that, shout out to USGB, which stands for US Gold Bureau, is where I bought this piece from. And shout out to them for obviously putting this piece. That was certainly unexpected. So I appreciate them for that. Yeah. Looks like a gold coin or a silver coin inside. Wow. Okay, let's set that aside because that's not what we're here for. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. There it is. It's in there somewhere. That's just packaging. That aside. Here we go, boys. My very first 10 gram. Oh wow, it's got some weight. 10 gram gold bar. And you are sharing this very special moment with me. Dun, dun, dun. There it is, guys. Look at look at my beautiful girl. Look at my beautiful girl, boys. Yeah, there she is. And this is it's got the VeriScan as standard with the PAMP Swiss. Well, it's not standard, but as far as this version, I think it's standard. I don't know. And which is cool because, like, you know, if some of you guys have not seen or have not been or whatever, have not touched one of these PAMP Swiss, there's an app that you can download, and you basically just scan the bar and it verifies it for you. That's why it's called VeriScan. Anyway, wow, look at this, boys. Oh my god, look at the beauty. No, still got the plastic. I don't want to take off the plastic. Look at the beauty. Man, she is so beautiful. She is a beautiful piece. Wow. It always mesmerizes me every time I get one of these, because I mean, again, this is just me being me, right? Like, I've never really owned like pure gold bars like this, but man, I'm telling you, they are nice. I'm talking super nice. I mean, you cannot complain with these pieces. So hope you guys enjoy it. I mean, as much as I did. Again, this is just an unboxing. Oh, let's my laptop. Let's open this. I don't know what this is. This was very nice of them. This was certainly not expected at all. Wow, look at this. And this was a freebie. Wow, they gave me something. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that beauty. I don't know what I'll do with this. Maybe I'll sell it. Oh crap, I messed up the packaging, so whatever. It's over. Okay, well, looks like copper. Looks like a big old penny. I don't know if this is worth anything. If anybody can tell me, let me know. There you go, boys. Oops, these are the two pieces. There's my girl right there. Dun, dun, dun. And whatever this is. Alright, so there's my unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.